Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix App Store ask for old Apple ID password and how you can remove the account. Some user reported that iPhone keeps asking for old Apple ID password that is deleted in this situation where the email associated with the former account no longer exists. If you fell into the same trouble, how do you stop this pop-up? As this error may result from a purchase from your account or software update restoring your iPhone or changing specific app or account setting, you need to check and modify the relevant setting or remove the old account from your device. So let's get start the video. So the first step is restart your Apple device. When you first encounter the pop-up asking for old Apple ID password on App Store but you can't remember it, the easiest way to get rid of it, restart the device, as this error may be caused by a temporary glitch which can be fixed by restarting. You can simply press this volume up and power button at the same time and you will see this light to power off. Simply restart your device. Once you've done this, then move on to the next step. The next step is update all apps on App Store. Unfinished download or failed update will interfere with the App Store, leading to the old Apple ID password prompt. If there are unpaid purchases on the App Store, go check whether there are paid apps, purchase app, or that need to be updated. You can simply go to your App Store. First of all, check if your app is purchased or it's a free app. You can go to settings and click on purchase history and see if there is app listed. So if you don't see, that means you have to update all the apps, or you can delete that app and install it again. You will see the update button here. Then move on to the next step. The next step is sign out of old Apple ID from App Store. There is a possibility that you have signed in with a new account on your iPhone, but the Apple ID that associates with the App Store has not been changed, which result in App Store keeps asking for old Apple ID password. In order to solve this problem, due to this reason, you could sign out from the old account from App Store. Simply go to your iPhone settings, tap on your Apple ID, tap on media and purchases, click on sign out, and as you can see, it will just sign out from the App Store. Once you've done this, Apple ID will be signed out from the App Store. As you can see, now you can sign in with the new Apple ID that you are currently using. Then move on to the next step. The next step is disable iMessage and FaceTime. Like App Store, iMessage and FaceTime are both directly tied to your Apple ID. Even if you don't use their service, they require you to account information, hence their mistake could be the cause of App Store asking for old Apple ID password. To solve this problem, you can try to disable these two functions on your iPhone or iPad. Simply go to settings, click on messages, turn off iMessage, then go to FaceTime and turn off FaceTime. So once you have done this, then move on to the next step. The next step is modify password setting of App Store. If you set up always require password for purchase or in-app purchase and require password to free download apps, App Store potentially keeps asking for old Apple ID password. In this case, it is advisable to modify the password setting of App Store. Go to settings, click on screen time, click on content and privacy restriction, click on iTunes and App Store purchases and select don't require. And then you are done. And if you need any help, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching.